Cause your lippy, naba, naba, they make me de kaya, kaya, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I tried the apple cider vinegar diet for 1 week now, and I'm not actually enough secure with my body to show you the result and effects, but I can obviously show you what I put in. So first of all, I put 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. I bought mine on Green Whiz. It was like 13 or 14 euros, like that, which I found a little bit expensive, but worth it. So let's do it. After I put a little bit of lemon, like 2 squeeze. It wasn't the fruit, but you know, that's the same. In the same side, like Green Whiz. So I bought turmeric, like something like that. Sorry for the pronunciation. Powder. It's raw and organic and was the same price as the apple cider vinegar. Normally you have to put 1 teaspoon, but I really hate the smell and how it tastes. Makes me feel really sick, so I just put a little bit just to say I did it, you know. At first the taste was so bad of that drink. Oh, I forgot I put water, so you can just take like a shot. That's disgusting. So the taste was so bad, but now I can drink it like, you know, I can just take like a shot or something like that. It tastes like water to me, and my stomach feels really better, and I lost a little bit of fat. I lost like 2 pounds, I think. I don't really know about that because I don't check, okay? But you know, I think it is. I hope you guys found this video really helpful, and I maybe make another video about this because I want to try it for like a month, so I will see. Bye.